I need some gas today.
Which pump are you at?
I am at pump 3.
What fuel do you need?
I need regular green petrol.
How much do you want?
Fill the tank up, please.
Will you pay with cash?
Yes, here is $40.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please print the receipt.
Are you driving far today?
I am driving to city.
Do you know the way?
Yes, I use a map.
Do you need some coffee?
No, I am perfectly fine.
Can I help with anything?
Where is the clean bathroom?
It is outside.
Is it open right now?
Yes, the bathroom is open.
Thank you for your help.
When will you come back?
I will return next week.
My car is very dirty.
Do you want a wash?
Yes. How much is it?
Which wash do you like?
What is the best wash?
Do you want hot wax?
Does wax make it shine?
Yes, it shines very bright.
I want the wax wash.
Do you have $15?
Yes, I have paper cash.
Are your car windows closed?
Yes, all windows are up.
Is your car engine off?
Yes, the engine is off.
Are you ready to enter?
Where do I drive now?
Drive into the big tunnel.
Are the brushes very safe?
They are very soft brushes.
How long does it take?
It takes only 5 minutes.
Do I stay inside car?
Yes.
Thank you for the ticket.
I need a hot coffee.
Do you want black coffee?
Yes, black coffee is good.
Do you need some sugar?
No, I like it strong.
Do you want some snacks?
What snacks do you have?
Do you like potato chips?
Yes, give me a bag.
Do you need cold water?
Yes, 1 bottle of water.
Will you pay with cash?
Yes, here is $10.
Do you want your change?
Keep the change, my friend.
Are you driving very far?
I have a long trip.
Are you feeling very tired?
The coffee will wake me.
Can I help you more?
Where is the small table?
Do you see the window?
Yes, I see the window.
Sit at the table there.
Thank you for your help.
Where is the air pump?
Are your tires looking flat?
Yes, one tire is low.
Do you know the pressure?
What is the right pressure?
Did you read the sticker?
Where is the sticker located?
Is it on your door?
Yes, it says 32.
Do you need my help?
How do I use it?
Did you set the dial?
I am setting it now.
Is the hose on valve?
Yes, the hose is on.
Do you hear the bell?
Yes, it is ringing.
The tire is full now.
Should I check other tires?
Yes, check all 4 tires.
They look very good today.
Did you put caps back?
Yes, I screwed them tight.
Are you ready to drive?
Yes, thank you for helping.
My car is very dirty.
Do you want to vacuum?
Where is the vacuum machine?
Do you see the shop?
Yes. Is it behind there?
Yes, it is right there.
Do I need special coins?
Do you have paper dollars?
I have 2 paper dollars.
Do you want silver coins?
Yes, please give me coins.
Here are your heavy coins.
Where do I drop them?
Do you see the slot?
Yes, I will drop 1.
Is the machine working loud?
Yes, it is very powerful.
Are your floor mats dirty?
They have lots of sand.
Did you clean back seats?
I am cleaning them now.